play table. So that's not.
Well, it's going to be my first match as a head coach of Persevaya. Unfortunately, we don't have too much time to work, but the team came from a good moment, 2 wins. We know that tomorrow against Malut, it's going to be a difficult match because Malut is one of the teams that spend too much money and get good players with experience to try to be champion. Also, if we're gonna see the last season and all the matches that Malut play against Persevaya, unfortunately, Persevaya never win, and last season lose here 2-0. So now they are on a good moment, many games winning. They are one of the teams that score more goals on the league. They are the team that lose less, just have 2 defeats. But tomorrow, I hope that our supporters, Bonek, Bonita, come here, show the enthusiasm that you already showed to me when I be opponent coach. Come and help the players, because for the players it's not going to be easy. New coach, new ideas, against strong team, and it's totally different if the supporters come with enthusiasm, pass this enthusiasm to the players, for the player feel that, okay, I can make a risk. If I lose the ball, the supporters go to support me, because it's totally different. If the player feel not comfortable, he not make a risk, and if he not make a risk, maybe not going to make a difference on front and the inside of the pitch. And we need that the games at home can be strong, because Persevaya is one of the teams that have more supporters on the stadium. So if we want to be a better team on the future, we need to improve. Show me the enthusiasm that I already saw here. The players deserve. And tomorrow, come here to support them.
Stay updated. Info terkini masih banyak. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan share YouTube official OKZone. Dan selengkapnya ada di okezone.com.